Good morning, kids. Today I am going to teach you about the water animals or sea animals. Let us have a look at all. This is an octopus. It is an 8-armed animal. Fish, duck, dolphin, hippo. Then comes the starfish, golden fish, crab. Then next is the crocodile, tortoise and tiny frog. These all are the sea animals. Let us revise. Duck, fish, octopus, dolphin, starfish, crab, golden fish, hippopotamus, octopus, crocodile, tortoise and frog.
This is all about sea animals. We'll learn more in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.